I can see why you call them miracle gloves. My headache's completely gone. He dropped off the video for the big viewing party at Jay and Gloria's tonight, and I decided to preview it.
What's wrong?
Watch.
I'm gonna keep it short because I got a tea time in 10 minutes. My dad died 25 years ago today.
Ew, right on the cake.
Oh, I know. Keep watching.
Nice to replace that sad memory with this happy one.
Don't tell me Uncle Mitch drinks it.
Of course he does, every drop.
May your first marriage be as good as my second. To the grooms. Wait a minute, I take that back. To my sons.
Why didn't you just cover your mouth?
Oh, I finally did. You know what this means? I'm patient zero. What I thought were allergies started the cold that brought the whole family down. No one can ever know about this, not after what happened in Yosemite. The pink eye apocalypse. Ooh, a mountain chickadee. Take a look and send it down the line.
Where? I want to see it.
It took me a whole year to earn back the respect and admiration of my family.
Well,
But it's 6 hours to the screening, and I have to edit out all the sneezes without ruining Jay's speech. That means special effects. That means overlapping green screen. What am I saying? It's impossible.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Oh, you're right. It's time to stop whining like a little girl and man up. Let's put on our unitards. Cake sneeze. It looks like I'm cracking up, right? So from here, we'll jump to a green screen shot of you laughing too. Then I'll take that and drop it into a pre-existing shot of a table full of people. Easy. And we are laughing. Bigger. Like when I do Yoda walking into a spider web. Nailed it! If laughter's the best medicine, then your grape-flavored Triaminic. Okay, now I need some footage of me reacting to Jay's speech to replace the champagne sneeze, and then I'll just drop that into another table full of people. How did I react to Jay's speech?
Give me touched. Now sad. Sadder? Come on, dig deep. Think about me going off to college. Why are you smiling?
I didn't think you'd get in. Moment of truth. If you see even the tiniest problem, point it out.
My dad died 25 years ago today. It's that sad.
That did not land quite the way I'd hoped.
Cam, Mitchell, may your first marriage be as happy as my second. To the grooms. Wait a minute, I take that back.
Oh, that's so bad.
To my sons.
Okay, I have a few notes.
What am I gonna do? We have to show this thing in an hour.
You know what you tell me? Show the real video and take your lumps.
I don't wanna.
That's what I would say. And then you would tell me you might not want to do it, but you have to do what's right. And that would make you go from patient zero to patient hero.
Damn it, I've got a point. How does someone so smart sneeze on so many things?